Hello, rockstars. How you all?
Hello, coach. Great.
We
How are
are
you?
we are fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. And so today is like it's like a new thing. Like like we have come to the last week this this program, and uh, I'm happy to complete the journey with you people. But I'm also sad at the same time that
Yeah.
this thing is going to get over because we were enjoying the thing, right?
Yes, superb it is. Even we are sad about it, coach. I
Yeah.
was just thinking today, oh my God, today is the last week. So much was development was going on, and that thing was coming my mind as well.
Okay.
I was used to wait for the meetings actually.
Okay. So the
I
last
am not
thing.
a
Please tell me.
yes. Yeah, I am not at all sad because we have formed a bond within us, three peoples. So we'll continue this bond forever.
Yes, yes, we will
We
continue,
will share
Pradeep.
the buzz moments, we will share the good
Yes,
things, we share the celebrations like
yes,
birthday,
we will.
anniversary.
Okay.
So
Yes.
don't
We will
forget each
we
other.
will share even our coach marriage celebration.
Okay, definitely, sure.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
great.
Okay.
Okay, so
So last week is the success blueprint. This is the last layer of the incredible you success framework. That's to define a unique definition of success. Like we have our own definition of success. L- Like for me, the definition of success is different. For you, it is different, and for Mr. Pradeep, it has to be different, right?
Right.
yeah,
I mean, for everyone, it is different. Okay,
yes.
so that is the thing, and so we can do this, and this is where we take ownership of our success. This is the place,
Hmm.
success blueprint. Okay, fine. So, uh, 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 so the activity that we're coming to is the crazy fearless dreams. Okay, so about the activity, this is a question based activity. This is a question based activity which shall help you uh, come up with your ultimate crazy dreams that you want to achieve and make a and make and make a visual vision board, so it will keep reminding you of all your dreams that you want to unleash yourself uh, to achieve outcome. And the outcome, no, I'm just telling you, I'll just give you the example, just don't worry. So purpose
Yeah.
of this activity is uh, purpose of this activity your is for you to dream like a fearless person and believe in those dreams so that you can unleash themselves to achieve them. So step by step instructions. Okay, so there are something visual. So so whatever you dream, you have to make it visual, and that shall keep reminding you of your dreams, and so that you can go go to achieve them. Okay, that'll be a reminder. So step by step instructions. I'm just giving you. So step one: read the example of a dream, and and, uh, and what it means to have a backup plan so you can look at the dream realistically.
Hmm. Yes.
Step two: look at each area of your life and write down a crazy fearless dream for each area. Step three: from the previous list of fearless dreams uh, from the step to select three of the biggest dreams and answer and you have to answer some questions. Step 4: uh, look at your crazy fearless dreams. So what do they look like in your head? Create a vision board that represents those dreams. So let's begin. So step 1: the crazy fearless dreams. Okay, so there's a dream fear. Use your imagination and wake up your brain. Uh, think of all the things you would want to do. Uh, think of all things you want to do before you die. Don't let anyone. Don't let any limitation stop you. Okay. So dream fears.
Okay.
So there are some dream fears that will I be able to achieve or not, or what if I fail and all. Matlab, these are some of the fears. So what is now the dream fears are that now what now do you have there are some dream fears. So what is the worst that could happen if I went for my dream?
Mm.
So plan B. So plan B is that you could always go back to being who you already are. Okay. So let's give me an uh, so uh, so let me give you an example. Okay, it's like the crazy fearless dreams, like quitting a job and starting a new business. So the dream fear is that dream fear is that I fail in my business and don't achieve my dream. And the second
Mm.
plan is that I can always go for my job, go back to my job. I mean,
Yeah.
if I fail in my job. Okay, so I just want to turn to the next page, page 120. What crazy fearless dreams? Uh, what crazy fearless dreams would you have in each area of your life if you knew you could not fail? So I want you people to write the crazy fearless dreams in each area of the life, like career, business, finance, wealth, friends and family, fun recreation and entertainment, health and fitness, love life, personal and spiritual development, physical environment. Please do it and then let me know.
Yeah.
Mr. Pradeep, you there?
I'm done, coach.
Yes, yes. Done.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm done, coach.
Okay.
Done.
So tell me. Tell me anyone. First, I want to know. Yeah. So have you written?
Uh,
You tell him first.
yeah, yeah, we have written.
Sure, Mr.
Yes. So, coach, shall I share my dream one, the craziest dream
Yeah,
that is
sure.
the
Please,
biggest dream that I want to, yeah.
please.
So, I
Go
want
ahead.
to do a playback singing for a movie.
Wow.
That is my craziest dream I've written.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, the thing is, what worst can happen in this? So, I would say
I
that
want to sing
worst can
one
happen
line
that,
of any song. I want to sing one line of any song. Come
yeah, I would say, दिल है छोटा सा
on.
छोटी सी आशा
Wow.
मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा. So
Wow.
this is what
That is something
connected to
great.
my.
No, that's great.
Yes.
You're a
Wonderful.
Thank
Wonderful.
wonderful
you.
singer. Yeah, just
Yeah,
give it applause.
thank
Awesome.
you. So
Okay.
if
Huh?
the worst could happen that I may not get selected in the audition, so
Yeah.
I would be that what it would be not selected for the audition. But then what would you have to do get back to your life? Then I would say reaching there, going for an audition means I am at a very good level of singing.
Yeah.
So I have many other options like teaching or going for some other auditions as well. So the journey, I would say, it will begin at that moment. Yes.
Did you go for Indian Idol or some?
No, I
No.
didn't. No, coach, I've not been.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, so let's move to Mr. Pradeep. So, Mr. Pradeep, can you please tell us about your crazy fearless dream?
My dream is to become a business tycoon,
Wow.
online business and share trading in this area and learn lots of money. Yes.
Wow.
Okay. So what is the absolute worst that could happen if you went for your dream and didn't work out?
Yes, yes. If I could not succeed, uh, I will try to learn more about this again and I start again. Yes.
That's a great attitude. That's a great attitude.
Yes,
That's a
yes, sir.
great attitude. I have to learn. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway.
Yes.
Okay. If the worst happened, if
Uh,
the worst happens, what would you have to do to get back to your life as it is now?
Yes, I have got the another venture also. So I'll go back to that. That I'm also a writer. I'm writing books. From book writing, I can learn. I can earn more again. I can earn. So
Okay.
that's option is there. Yes.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. So huge round of applause for Mr. Pradeep too, of course.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So let's move on to page 123. So let's move on to page 123. And I want Miss Alka to read this out.
Yes.
Alka, do you have the man?
So,
Yeah.
yeah, I do have.
Step 4.
Step 4. Now look at your crazy, fearless dream. What do they look like in your head? What do they make you feel like? Create a vision board that represents these dreams. And get a big sheet of paper and find and stick most relevant and similar visual images of your crazy, fearless dreams on this sheet of paper. So, power of vision board. A vision board is a visual reminder for you to capture your dreams, and it will keep reminding you for your dreams so you don't lose your heart. Fill it up with all kinds of visuals of your dreams, add images of your buzz moment as well. Make it so full of visuals of your dreams that it inspires you every time you look at it.
Okay, thank you. So
Okay.
I want you people to make a visual,
Yes.
make a vision board, and then we can have a conversation. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, coach, I'm ready with my vision board,
I'm also ready with my board.
Okay, fine, fine. So,
and it is so big. I actually
And
stuck on
just
my wall.
see.
wow,
This
wow,
is
show it.
my.
Wow, that's great.
So, this is all about my family outcomes. This is
Yeah,
my dream house, if you can see the down
yeah, yeah,
one.
yeah. I can see that. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes. And this is my dream tour with my husband.
Wow.
And then this is all about my first outcome, coaching. And this is the award I'm winning, my 5 year plan, outcome plan. These are my buzz movements, swimming.
Great, great.
This is, I'm always guided from universe. This is my TEDx. I'm on the TEDx
Wow, 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 wow. That's
platform.
amazing. That's amazing.
And this is my bus movement on a hill station drinking my tea. And this is, I'm a money magnet, all my e-codes. And this is what my health plan, that I'm attaining my dream weight, my ideal weight. This
Okay,
is, I'm balancing my work, my family,
okay.
and success is my only option over here where I'm going on the ladder. I was so happy. And this one is my social media platform. I have 100K followers here. Yes.
Yeah. Oh,
And yeah, so this is all. I'm writing books over
Awesome.
here. I'm
Yes.
writing books.
great.
Right.
So this is
Okay.
my whole vision board.
Beautiful.
Yes. Yes.
That's really amazing.
Beautiful.
That's
Thank
really
Amazing.
you. Thank
Yes.
and
Yes.
you
Yes.
thank
show it to
you.
me, Mr. Pradeep. Now,
Yes. Yes. Here, see, my dream bungalow is here in the hillside.
yeah.
Here is my dream car.
I'm not able to see
This
that.
is
I'm not able to see
oh,
that. Yeah.
just see the dream bungalow, the
Yeah.
topmost here, the dream
Okay.
bungalow. It
Okay.
is near hillside. There is a car, Tesla car, the luxury car,
Okay.
standing in my front of house. And here I am a state speaker. I am speaking. Here is my first book, How to Live 100 Years, to be published by 9th April.
Okay.
Okay. Here are my the 5 baselines are there. Have 5 e-courses are there. This is my presence in the social media. And here are the buzz movements. I have celebrated my birthday of granddaughter. Two granddaughters I have. Their buzz movements are there. My
No,
birthday was celebrated my
okay.
daughter also. This is the fitness. Here are the pics where I have traveled a lot.
I'm
And
not
I'm
able to
still
see.
I
Once again, I'm not able to see. Yeah.
yes, these are the buzz moments, the cakes depicting the birthday of my granddaughter, two granddaughters, and
I
my
picked that
my
up.
birthday also.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
here are the pictures where I have
Superb.
traveled around the world, and
Yeah,
now
yeah,
I
yeah.
intend to go in a cruise. Cruise. This is a ship. This is a big
Yeah,
ship.
lift it up.
In the,
Can you show the ship?
yes,
Lift it
this
up.
yes,
Yeah,
here is
yeah.
a
Yeah.
That's
ship.
that.
In this ship,
That's
I will go
Okay.
around this voyage, long tour in the
Superb.
world. That's my
great,
mission,
great, great,
dream.
Wow.
great, great.
So, so thank you very much.
So with this, we come to an end of this session. See you in the
Bye.
next class thing. Okay, and
Okay.
never forget a ritual. I'm counting three, and we
Okay.
Yeah.
start.
Mm, mm.
1, 2, 3.
Boom!
Ooh,
Rock
rock
stars.
stars.
Perfect. That was a perfect shot this time.
Bye
Okay.
bye, coach.
Bye
Take
bye.
care.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.